All right, folks, here we have an absolutely stunning 1993 Buick Park Avenue, but listen to this, folks. 15,000 actual miles. Yes, that is correct. No, that's not a mistake. 15,000, I believe, 200 miles on this car. It came to us just the way you see it from a gentleman who, as you will see, took extremely good care of it. This car came into us on trade and is absolutely worth every penny. This car is largely original. No modifications that we've seen or anything like that. Of course, this car is powered by its 3800 V6 engine, automatic transmission with overdrive. These cars, if you're looking at this, it's probably because of one of two reasons. Either you had one and you remember how absolutely awesome they drive, or you're in the market for a luxury car doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. Either way, be sure you enjoy this car because they do not come around like this very often. Like I said, this is a 1993 Buick Park Avenue, 15,000 actual miles. Let's take a look at the inside. It's very, very clean. As you can see, the door jambs and everything. There's no rust bubbles or anything like that showing on this car. And of course, in true Park Avenue style, fully loaded. Power windows, power locks, power seat, tilt wheel, cruise control, remote trunk release, remote fuel door release. Full complement of gauges in this car, including tachometer. As you can see, 15,200 miles. Has an absolutely clean Carfax as well. You've got dual climate control, so the passenger can adjust their side. Take a look at the dash. Absolutely no cracks or any damage. By the way, this is a non-smoking car, so there's no bad odors or anything like that in here. The upholstery is about as close to new as you could get for 1993. Even the edges aren't torn or worn, ripped, nothing like that. Show you the headliner is in equally as good a shape. It's not sagging or anything like that. I'll show you the back door. Again, just as clean in the back as it is in the front. If you're looking for a time capsule and the cliche cream puff car, you found it. I want to warn anyone that's looking at this car, hopefully you're seeing it before it gets sold. Ladies and gentlemen, we kind of specialize in these low mile, late model luxury cars like this, and I promise you the low mile ones do not stick around. So if you're seeing this and you have interest, don't wait a week, don't wait a day. It probably will not be here. So, here's a look at the passenger side. And the back seat again. You can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. We'll take a peek in the trunk. We've got some more goodies in there for you. As you can see, the remote release works. But now if you want to talk about documentation, you have the sales catalogs from 1993 for Buick, owner's manual, warranty book, even the ad planner for Buick in 1993. There's the owner's manual, the specialty wrench to get for the hubcaps, and something you don't see, especially on a luxury car. Here's the original build sheet showing the options and everything. Shows you the car was going down the line October 30th, 1992. How about that? Awesome. And power trunk release works as well. Now, if you want to hold on, I will hop in and we'll get this thing started for you. Okay, let's fire it up. As you can see, everything checks there. Those lights will go off, of course, once it's running. Sounds good. You can see the radio's on and working as well. As I mentioned, it's powered by its 3800 V6 engine. If you're not familiar with these engines, They were rated for 19 city, 29 highway miles per gallon when they were new. And even as we look at them a few years down the road here, they still get excellent fuel economy, especially when you look at that it's a bigger car. So, but again, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car is. One more quick lap. The tires on this car are in excellent condition as well. As you can see, plenty of tread left, nice clean white wall tires. Sounds nice, no exhaust leaks or anything. Again, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are considered, financing is available, and extended warranty is available on this car as well due to the low miles. So feel free to ask if you have any questions.